In this video, we'll be walking through how to develop a product launch plan in Teamwork.com. If you're looking to streamline your product launch process, keep track of tasks, and collaborate efficiently with your team, you're in the right place. Teamwork is a powerful project management tool that helps you plan, organize, and execute a product launch with ease. Whether you're launching a physical product or a software solution, Teamwork.com provides a comprehensive platform to keep everything in one place and ensure your team stays aligned. And yes, you can start using it for free. Check the first link below for an exclusive bonus. Now, let's dive into creating that product launch plan. First, you'll want to set up a new project in Teamwork. When you start a new project, it's crucial to name it clearly so everyone knows exactly what they're working on. For this case, something like product launch plan for product name will keep things organized. Once that's done, it's time to break down your product launch into key stages or milestones. You can use the task management features in Teamwork to create these stages. For example, a common approach for a product launch might include stages like research, design, marketing prep, production, and launch day. Under each of these stages, you'll want to add individual tasks. These are the specific actions that need to be completed. For example, under marketing prep, you might have tasks like create email sequence, design launch landing page, or schedule social media posts. And within each task, you can assign due dates and team members to make sure everyone knows what's expected of them. One of the best features of Teamwork is the ability to manage task dependencies. If your product launch involves multiple steps that rely on each other, such as designing promotional materials before launching the campaign, you can set up task dependencies. This will ensure that the necessary steps are completed in the right order and nothing falls through the cracks. Another key feature is the ability to track progress. In the My Tasks section, each team member can see their own responsibilities and deadlines, helping them stay on track. Team leads can also monitor the overall progress of the launch using the project timeline or board view, so they can spot potential bottlenecks early and address them before they become issues. Teamwork.com also includes communication tools to keep everyone on the same page. For instance, you can use the comments section within each task to collaborate directly with your team. This makes it easy to ask questions, provide updates, and clarify any misunderstandings. Additionally, you can set up milestones to measure progress, making it easy to see how far along your team is toward meeting your product launch goals. To wrap up, developing a product launch plan in Teamwork is all about creating a detailed and organized structure for your team to follow. From creating a new project to adding tasks, assigning team members, and tracking progress, this platform has everything you need to keep your launch on schedule. Before I let you go, remember, there's an exclusive extended free trial waiting for you through the link below. This means you can start using Teamwork.com for free with added bonuses to streamline your own product launches. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your product launch.